Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you that I used my glitter tape and my Stampin' blends to turn this into this nice darker blue like that. And I needed multiple strips, so I put a bunch across my what block is this here, my eye block, and then used it. Well, they're alcohol markers, so it's on there, so it's not an ink water-based marker, so it barely comes off. So I just wanted to show you that you could still clean this off, and all I'm doing is taking rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to put that on here, and then take that same baby wipe, and it's going to come right off. So don't be afraid if you've got your blends or your alcohol markers on your acrylic blocks. Just get the alcohol, put it right on there. It will come off. And then after you do that, the way you would clean just your blocks in general, I use a baby wipe, but when I need to do a real thorough cleaning, then I just go and I take some Dawn dish soap in a little pan of water, and I stick them all on there, and then I clean them like I was doing dishes. So I just clean them up, and then I leave them out on a mat to dry, and you are good to go. So I have one little sticker right there. But there we go. It's all done, and it's all clean. And then you just take that little guy and throw him away. So I hope you like that little tip, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!